Good day everyone, dear students. In the last video we have discussed about the input device. I told you that input devices are what? Actually, for processing the data, input is required to the system, and to give the input to the system we use the input devices. Now the next component which we have to discuss, that is the output device. First, the definition: an output device is any peripheral that receives data from a computer, usually for display. We can understand the output device like this. Suppose we have to add two numbers like 7 plus 5. Okay, so the 7 and 5 both will be input for the system. It will be processed and we will get the output 12 that will be displayed on the screen. So to display the outputs of the processed data, we use the output devices. There are so many examples of the output devices like monitor. Whatever data will be displayed, that will be displayed on the monitor in the form of output. Suppose that you are adding two numbers and you want to get the 12, then 12 you can see on the monitor, that is the output device. Suppose there are so many examples suppose that you are opening the MS Word, and in the MS Word you are typing something. When you are typing, it is going to the system as an input, and whatever is displaying on the screen, that will be in the form of output, and you can see that output on the monitor. If you want to take the output in the form of hard copy, then we will use the printer. That's why printer is also the output device. Next is the headphones. Suppose you are talking with someone. When you are talking with someone, then you can listen the voice. So headphone is an output device. Suppose you are listening the song, also the song you are able to listen by using the headphone. That's why it is also the output device. Speaker is also the output device because it helps to you to listen the song by the speaker. The song will be come in the form of output. Projector, whatever the data you want to read or you want to see by the projector, you can see in the form of output. One more output device, that is the GPS and the sound card. Sound card we use when we have to clear the sound quality, then we use the sound card. Next is the video card. For the video we use the video card, means sound card we use for the sound and video card we use for the video. You can say sound card is responsible for the sound, video card is responsible for the videos. Thank you everyone.